இன்னைக்கு என்ன ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணட்டும்?
Beetroot carrot soup.
Okay, done.
Let us make healthy and tasty beetroot carrot soup.
Subscribe for more videos.
சமைக்க ஆரம்பிக்கலாமா? In a pressure cooker, add 2 small cubes of butter. Add whole spices like cinnamon stick, bay leaf and 3 cloves. Add 3 to 5 garlic pods. Fry them. I am adding 1 large onion thinly sliced. Saute this well together. Let us add vegetables like carrot, potato and beetroot. I have taken 1 number each. Fry them together. After a couple of minutes, I am adding 3 large tomatoes finely chopped. Mix this together. Add 300 ml of water at first. Give it a good mix. And once you see the water boil, pressure cook this for 4 whistles. Once the pressure subsides, open the cooker to check if vegetables are well cooked. If not, pressure cook them for a couple of more whistles. After it cools down, grind this in a mixer jar. Add water as per the consistency required. Add salt as needed. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of jaggery for the sweet taste. Give this a good mix. Check for the consistency. And the soup is ready to be served hot. This recipe serves 5 people. Please give this a try and share your feedback in comments. Chamayal ready.
Hit the like button, click the bell icon, subscribe for more videos.